There are questions tonight over why a high-tech firm, partly funded by the taxpayer, went out of business after only a year of operating. Ideoba was run by the former Plaid Cymru MP Adam Price and an American financial services expert. Well, our business correspondent Brian Meakin joins us now. So, Brian, this was a high-tech company, wasn't it, in the financial services, and just the kind of jobs the Welsh Government wants to attract to Wales.
That's right, Lucy. I mean, basically, these kind of companies from financial services, they bring high-paid jobs, highly skilled jobs, and they've been targeted ultimately by the Welsh Government because they think that if you bring those in, it'll really add to the prosperity of the country. This company was going to create 100 of these highly skilled, highly paid jobs. Essentially, it was to create search engines so that if you were an investor, you would ultimately be able to go and use this search engine and get the expertise of hundreds of millions of people across the world. So really innovative, but the point with these companies, these innovative companies, is that they cost an awful lot of money to get up and get going, and there's no guarantee that they're going to really take off. So that does raise a concern. If you're in, for example, Silicon Valley in California, or Silicon Roundabout, as they have in London, you have these investors who are happy to put a bit of money into a lot of different companies, knowing that they will lose some of it, but they'll make an awful lot of money on those companies if they do make it quite big. So what happened was, with this company, the Welsh Government invested, the people who were running it invested quite heavily, but they didn't get those big investors coming from London.
So what's the Welsh Government saying then tonight, Brian?
Well, not very much, to be honest with you. They're not telling us how much money was put in by the Welsh Government. They're also not telling us whether they've been told by this company that it's been put out of business. So we don't know very much from the Welsh Government tonight. Talking to business people, though, talking to economists, what they're saying is there's two ways to look at it. Firstly, you could say this is just too risky, this is not something that public money should be getting put into. Actually, the other way of looking at it is, if private investors aren't doing this, this is exactly the kind of project that the Welsh Government should be putting money into, because it could be a huge game changer in terms of the long-term benefits to the Welsh economy. But I think if that's going to happen, ultimately, you need to have a conversation with taxpayers about how much risk we're prepared to accept.
Brian, thanks very much.